Hey guys, it's Alicia here again. Now today I was getting ready to make some of my DIY granite cleaner, and so I thought I'd jump on here and show you how easy and cheap it is to make this. Now when it comes to granite care, you do not want to use anything that's abrasive because it will take the sealant off of the granite. I normally like to use vinegar to do a lot of my cleaning, and that would be a big no-no on granite. So I had to come up with something other than vinegar. Granite is, as I found, a little bit of a high maintenance thing. You want to clean it daily with just like a mild soap and water. But then about once a week, to maintain its sheen, you do want to use a granite cleaner on it. So instead of buying it all the time, I decided I would go this other option, which is extremely cheap and it does a really good job. All you're gonna need to make this is water and the most important ingredient, isopropyl alcohol. Now this is incredibly cheap, and so to make this granite cleaner costs, you know, pennies on the dollar compared to what you would be spending on a store granite cleaner. Now if you want to add essential oils to this, you can. The alcohol doesn't necessarily smell real great, but I don't care. I just like the fact that it works. Not only does it work, but it does disinfect. So to make this, get yourself a little spray bottle, and you're going to fill this up about halfway with water. Now if you have hard water, you might want to use distilled water. I don't really have that problem, so I just use tap water. And again, that just keeps it even cheaper to make this. So I'm gonna fill this about halfway, and then I'm gonna take my alcohol and I'm gonna fill the bottle up the rest of the way. Then you just put the lid back on, give it a quick shake, and that is it, granite cleaner. So to use this, what you want to do is, I'll just show you real quick. You want to spray down your counter after you want to clean it first, which I've done with, again, mild soap. And then you just want to spray down your counter really well. And you're gonna leave this on here for about 5 minutes. And that'll give it a chance to disinfect a little bit. Okay, then you just want to take a towel and you just want to dry the counter off really, really well. And hopefully, as you can see, the shine is back on this. And that is it. It's super easy. Like I said, I do it about probably once a week. It just keeps my granite looking pretty good and definitely cheaply. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.